guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Zin Ivy B, so welcome again. And yes, new video for you. Of course, if you're new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, and don't forget the notification bell if you want to be updated with my shorts or new videos that always related to a bag. So yes, a new bag again, as always, bag, and I'm happy to share this with you. I have this but in a different version, but this is another one. So no further ado, it's my new Marc Jacobs bag that I got. Yes, I got a new Marc Jacobs bag, and it's a small bag, guys. It's a small bag. But before that, bag of the week. I'm happy that I use my little mini bag. This is my Thea Tory Burch, and handbag, crossbody bag slash handbag. Guys, she's so adorable. I mean, it carries a lot, not super a lot, but the capacity that you can put on the bag, it's amazing. It's really amazing bag. If you don't like too much, if you don't like big bags, then this is for you. See, all my lipstick are there, so I carry a lot of things, but it still fit a lot of things. So this is my Thea bag in this mini size. Go get one from Tory Burch. You're gonna like it. Okay, so again, back to what I'm gonna share with you, my new bag at Marc Jacobs. I got this from the Bag Storm of Montreal. If I'm not mistaken, please check the Facebook page. I will put her Facebook page. She's selling bags, pay plan, layaway basis. She's selling jewelries also as well, clothing, and mostly bags. She's doing live as well, so if you will see her page, she do live selling on Facebook. So just check the Bag Storm Montreal of Montreal, I think. But like I'm saying, I'm gonna put her Facebook page in here. So please support local Filipinos that are that do business via Facebook page. So, and I got this from her, and this is the bag with the dust bag, of course. This is the original dust bag, and I open it just to look, but it's still unwrapped because I want to show it to you. So this is in color New Dusty Multi. So let's look. Yeah. Snapshot, crossbody snapshot. So okay guys, so this is the snapshot, small snapshot, and multi-dust color, and this is the color in gold hardware. The D-ring is in gold, the zipper and in gold. There's a two section of this snapshot. This is really famous right now, especially for some of the teenagers and even normal adults like me. But for me, I find it too small for what I normally use. But I have a different version from the Marc Jacobs, but I want to share this to you guys. So this is kind of light pink, you know, and this is kind of beige color, but it's nice multi-dust color. That's why. So there's two zipper compartment in here. Okay, I already removed what's inside. So this is first the compartment. There's a small pocket in here that you can put your cards and few items, and another pocket in here. Okay, this is more bigger compared to the other one since this is the back. There's one pocket in the outside, but maybe you can put just cards, IDs, because it's a structured bag, guys. This is a structured bags from Marc Jacobs. So this is the snapshot from Marc Jacobs. What can we put inside a bag? So I'm using right now my phone. So this is my iPhone 13. So let's put in here. So I put my iPhone 13 in here, so it fits there. Maybe a little bit of something in there, but not all. For example, my wipes. I will put my wipes there. So there, it fits. If you want to put your wallet, because I have my compact wallet from Louis Vuitton, so I'll just put it inside, and it fits there. Okay, like I'm saying, you cannot put a lot of things inside. I have my two lipstick. I'll put in there also. So there. You can put also your key on the top maybe, but not a thick version of your keys or key holder, but it fits there. So this is what. So mostly if you're just gonna put those things, I can put my reading glasses as well on the top, just on the top, and it fits there also. Okay, so let's put the, I already removed the strap. So the strap, I like the strap because it's a guitar strap. This is what the nice about with Marc Jacobs, the guitar strap. They always have guitar strap, and with the SnapShot they have different color, different style of guitar strap. I will put some samples here, and you're gonna like it. The colors, choose your color. It's up to you. And this is in gold hardware. This is gold with Marc Jacobs on it. This is gold hardware, and of course the name Marc Jacobs is in there. The name Marc Jacobs is in there. So I'll just put it here. Let's try it. Okay, you can also use your guitar strap with any of your bag. You can change it with anything. So this is what it looks like. I didn't adjust the strap size. This was done when it was in the packaging. So I'm 5'3" in height, guys. So this is how it looks like. If you do want to carry a lot of things, why not? Super nice, especially when you go out. You want to carry a lot of things, you can do that. You can adjust also. You can make it longer or shorter. You can do a shoulder bag as well. But I think what's nice about this is really like crossbody to you. Okay, so how much is a SnapShot? As per the website that I checked, the SnapShot is $430 Canadian dollars. So it's more cheaper in US dollars. But in Canadian, this is $430 plus tax. Okay, plus tax, guys. So of course 15% in Canada, especially in Quebec, plus tax. So that's the price of the Marc Jacobs, $430. Like I'm saying, guys, I have my other version. This is my Sure Shot Marc Jacobs. Look at the difference between the two. It's the capacity that you can put in the bag. She's more taller. This is my favorite color, of course. So she's more taller and longer. Okay, and longer. This is how it looks like. But this is my Sure Shot. The difference also, I have my handheld. You can carry it by hand with the Sure Shot. Right now there's no more Sure Shot on the website up of Marc Jacobs, and I bought this also around 400 plus, but it's the color that catch me up, that allow me to buy her. That's why I bought her, because of the color. I love this color. So this is my version. It's really the same, even the back. It has also the same style, but like I'm saying, I can put a little bit more compared with the SnapShot. So yes, that's it. This is my my new bag. But since I have this already and my color is this one, my lucky sister will have this. My daughter doesn't want it. She finds it too heavy for her, and she wants it more not heavy, plus she can put a lot of things, so she doesn't like this. So my sister will this will go to her. This one will go to my sister. It says, just want you to know that the difference between the two, but the capacity, the quantity that you can put inside the bag, almost the same. Not really big difference, almost the same. The only difference is because I can do hand carry on this one compared with the SnapShot. So also the Sure Shot has a guitar strap as well, so but I will not show it anymore to you because it's inside, because it's compact also. Yeah, I always keep my paper there. It's also guitar strap, but just a plain, no Marc Jacobs on the strap, just a plain one. So that's it, guys. So this is my new SnapShot bag that will go to my sister in Philippines. So hope she will like it, that she can use it in every day. So yes, so thank you for watching, and I hope you get an idea about this bag if you're decided to get one of this SnapShot. Also, FYI, like I'm saying, you can do a pay plan also with the bag, the Storm bag. Or if you go directly to the website of Marc Jacobs, you can do a pay plan via Klarna. They do that also bi-weekly basis. So it's up to you. It's up to you how you're gonna pay for it. So I hope you get an idea of this, and hope you get one also to add to your collection, because like for me, I got my sure shot to make sure that I have her in my collection. So thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Bye guys. Signing up. Zin Ivy B. Bye.